Hello friend, this is from Carvel Machinery Technology Company in China. Here it is the new finished 1000 liters model leader mixer for our South Africa client, our old client. And for this mixer, it is used to mix the material party type adhesive and party for butyl substrate, high viscous material. Okay. For the material contact part, we make stainless steel and mirror polish, even including the whole top lid part. The left part is the electricity part, cabinet. We use Schneider as the main components. And the middle one is the driving system, which we use Siemens brand motor and hard-tooth phase reducer to support the strong power. The right part is the mixing chamber, which we equipped a jacket around it, which will be filled with conduction oil to achieve the heating function. We can see that for this mixer, the discharging method is the whole cylinder tilting type. Okay, let's take a run to see it. This is the top lid part. We equipped two windows, one with light and a manhole for raw material feeding. Hydraulic cylinder. This is a hydraulic system to drive the top lid open close, cylinder tilting and back for material discharging. This is a Siemens brand motor we equipped for the hydraulic system. Siemens brand motor for the main driving system of the two Sigma blades. Belt cover and the gear cover for the yellow part. The cabinet. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. We focus on the panel of the cabinet. This is the inverter panel, voltage meter, ammeter, temperature set, temperature display for the inside material, speed control. For the buttons part, mixing direction forward, reverse, stop. For the top lid part, open, close. For the cylinder tilting and the back, this is an emergency stop button. Now the mixer has been connected with the electricity power. We would like to make a simple test for it. First, I relieve the emergency stop button and I start it. Now it works. We can set the speed here. And after set, the shaft speed would be displayed on the inverter panel. For example, I make it around 22. This is the forward direction. I would like to use this lever to see the top situation. Okay. We can see two windows, one with light, and I will open it. Light open. So we can check the inside Sigma blades material mixing situation via this window. To see it clearly, I would like to check via the manhole. Okay, now we can see clearly the two blades are rotating in the forward direction. And then we test the max speed. Let's wait. Okay, 37. This is the max speed. stable. No problem. Now I speed down. Now its speed is 5. I stop it. And then we test the reverse direction. Okay. Give it some speed. Maybe 15. Okay, 15. We go to the top part to see the situation. Now the blades are rotating in the reverse direction. We can see that all the material contact part we make stainless steel and we will polish. Okay. Now I would like to close the manhole door. Also, we test the max speed, okay? Now, we test the reverse max speed. The reverse direction would be helpful for the material discharging period after the cylinder tilted. It should be 37. Okay, no problem. Next, I would like to introduce our safety protection system. It is regarding the sensors here. Once the top lid opened, leave this position, mixer will stop. Okay, let's make a test. Just now, I have made an operation on the top lid open button, and the lid opened via the hydraulic system. Without any operation on the stop button, the mixer stopped. It is from our safety protection system for the protection of worker safety. And then, in this situation, we can test the cylinder tilting way. Cylinder tilting. Due to the hydraulic system, the cylinder is tilting. And then we can see the blade clearly. Also, we have many limited switch. When it reached to the designed position, it will stop. Here it is. This is the double sigma blades for the material discharge period. However, even in this situation, we can also drive the blades for the material discharging or cleaning or maintenance of the inside cylinder. We make an inching switch function. I must keep my finger on the button continuously to drive the blades. For example, reverse direction. Keep my finger on the button continuously, like this. Now it works. However, once I remove my finger, it will stop. This is, we call it an inching switch function. It is the same principle for the forward direction, like this. Once I remove, it stops work. Also for safety consideration. Now I make the cylinder back. And the top lid closed. So just now, I make a simple introduction and function test for the new finished 1000 liters model needle mixer for South Africa client for high viscous material mixing. If you have any interest, feel free to contact for more information. This is from Machiavelli Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.